Hello and welcome to this explainer video on how to sign up for a membership for birdauctions.co.uk. So once you have typed in birdauctions.co.uk at the top, you'll be taken to this page here. You will then need to click on membership, which will then take you to the registration page, where you will need to fill out your information so that you can have an account with Bird Auctions. I am going to create an account for myself. So I'm going to have my username as G2Z, and I'm going to use the email zoe.zo.gita@gmail.com. You'll then be sent a verification code once you click off this. You will then need to go to your email to collect your verification code, which I have been sent mine, and it's 601102. Okay, once you've done this, you'll need to fill out your name, Zoe Gita, and the username that you have chosen. Then you need to come up with a password, one that you will remember, and then you will need to click register. Once your registration is complete, it will give you the option to sign up for a yearly subscription. So it's £2.49 for each 12 months. So you will then want to click on subscribe now. It will then take you to this page. So you can then fill out your details here. And click on proceed to PayPal. It will then take you to your PayPal account where you will need to log in. Once you have put the correct details in, it will take you to your PayPal account. You can then select Pay Now. You have then paid and you can return to seller. And then you have successfully submitted your vendor account request, which will then go under review, and then you will receive an email to say that they've accepted your account, and then once they've accepted your account, you will be a member.